everyone. This is an example of the differences between circular and linear permutations. And we're going to place 4 people around a table in 6 different ways. And then we're also going to do it linear. So let's just look, first of all, what you can't do. So we have Bob, Ricky, Yanni, and Gina. Now what you can't do is just rotate these around. So I can't say, well, now I'm going to put Bob here, Ricky, Yanni, Gina, and then I'm going to put Bob here, and then just keep going around. Randy, who's next? Was it Ricky, Yanni, and Gina? And then I move Bob around one more time and just copy this around. So basically, let's see. I get confused here. So Bob, Ricky, Yanni, and Gina. So basically, these are all one because order matters. So if it's a circle, these all count as one. Because the order is important and the order is the same. Now, if they were linear, what you would have is you would have for the first one, Bob, R, I'm just going to say the letters. You'd have that one. Then you would have, I'm starting at the top, the starting part. Then you'd have, and then you would have R, Y, G, B. You would have 4. So if this was linear in a straight line, notice that you have a starting point here. So that makes it 4. But on a circle, there's no really starting point. So we have to arrange this where the arrangement is different. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to arrange this, and I'm going to put, since Bob's first, I'll put Bob here, Ricky, Yanni, and Gina. All right, I'm going to keep Bob at the same place because doesn't matter what point you're starting at. Now I'm going to rearrange everyone because what's to the left of Bob and to the right and across has to be different. So now I'm going to put Yanni here, Ricky here, and keep Gina here. Now I think I'll put Gina here, Ricky here, so Yanni, and then switch these two and put Ricky, Gina, Yanni. And then for the final one, let's see what we can do. So we have Bob, Yanni, Gina, and then Ricky here. I'll put Ricky here and switch around the Ginny and Yanni here. So now we have 6 permutations. And what this exercise is about is when you have a circular permutation, you really don't have a starting point because wherever Bob starts, he's kind of insignificant when it comes to the others. So you really only have 3 factorial, which is 6 arrangements. All right? Because there's no starting point. So the real starting point starts with Ricky, or with Yanni, or with Gina, or so forth. And the way you do that is if you have 6 people, or we have how many people? 4 people. Then to get the formula for circular permutations, you just take n minus 1 factorial. So we already knew it was 3, so since we have 4 people, that's 4 minus 1 factorial, which equals our 3 factorial. Now for these same 4 people, and I didn't want to waste your time, what I want it to do is just to write out all the linear permutations. And that would just be a total of 6 different linear arrangements. So 4 factorial, which equals 24. Whereas the same 4 would be in a circular would be 3 factorial. This gives you 6. So for every 4, so here's 1, that gives you 6. So for these 6, you get 4 additional ones. So 6 times 4 would give you 24. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.